How to Do Anything Television brings you a new video to show you the quickest way to export an image on the Photos application. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the Photos application. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start the video, just to let you know, this is not rocket science or quantum physics. This is a very easy technique that all can use to export the image via drag and drop. Now let's go all the way down to the dock, go to the Photos application, locate a photo we wish to export, decrease the size of the application window itself. Now take the image, drag and drop onto the desktop, and there we have it. We can now quit the Photos application, go to the desktop, double click on this to open up the image, and there we go. This was a screen captured a few days ago for another tutorial. In this tutorial, we will now quit preview, highlight the image, command delete, empty the recycling bin. There we go. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.